So this morning we are on our way to a pet adoption drive. It's very early in the morning. Unfortunately, we will not be bringing home a new friend for Marley, but they are doing free dog washes, and he is very dirty and smelly. And they're doing nail trimming, which we'll probably have done, and also microchipping. So we're going to go ahead and get Marley a microchip today. And I wanted to have that done for a while on him just in case he ever gets lost. But today they're doing it for $10, so we're going to go ahead and have that done. And I'm sure there'll be lots of other puppies there to see. So we'll go check it out and see if there's some cute puppies that I want to bring home with me, and see all the other dogs that are there to get free dog washes. I'm sure he's not too excited about getting a bath. Are you going to get a bath today? You don't like to get bath, huh? So we'll go check it out and see what's happening. So Marley just got a dog wash. He's well clean. You can see there. We've got a bunch of dogs they're washing. Getting all clean. Got some big Great Danes in here. So we're going to go over and get his microchipping done. He's excited. Get him microchipped and maybe get his nails trimmed. This should be fun. He's clean. Some big dogs, some little dogs. All kinds of dogs. Getting rabies vaccines and things like that. Okay. So Marley's all done. He got his microchip. That was kind of tragic. He got some free samples of some homemade dog treats. And some bacon flavored lickety stick. I guess it's like a roll, like a ball roller in the tip, and he can just lick the flavor off the tip of it. So he got that as a free sample, and they're going to be selling that at like PetSmart and stuff like that. So anything that says bacon flavor, he's going to like. So he had a kind of a tragic day. The needle with the microchipping is really, really big. But he didn't yelp or anything, and they put it in his neck. And I got the registration and everything for it. So if he gets lost, we can find him. So he's all fluffy now with his wash. So we're going to go home so he can cuddle on the bed. He's had a hard morning already. Lots of dogs here. It's a cool event. We're all done. Marley, can you say bye? Say bye, everybody.